Hi, I'm Jill Beck, candidate for Superior Court. The Superior Court is an appellate court that hears appeals from criminal, civil, family, juvenile, and orphans court matters. Those are all areas where I've practiced as an attorney. I've practiced in the Superior Court itself and in appellate courts across the country. And I spent 10 years on the other side of the bench, clerking for Christine Donahue, 6 years on the Superior Court, 4 years on the Supreme Court, where I drafted over 500 decisions of the very kind that I will get to decide if elected to the court. So I know this court, I know the law, and I know how the job has to be done. And it's critical that you have someone who is ready to go from day one, because it is the busiest intermediate appellate court in the country, deciding over 5,000 decisions a year, and it is the court of last resort for 97% of cases that come before it. But I also know the human aspect of these cases, because I've dedicated my career to representing vulnerable and underserved members of our population. Child abuse victims, domestic violence victims, victims of racial discrimination, victims of wage theft, victims of illegal gun sales, members of the LGBTQ community and veterans, and generally just helping people without money get the same rights and protections as people who do, because that is what it's about. Fair, equal, equitable treatment for everyone who comes before the court. The largest corporation and the smallest family farmer, the richest and the poorest, they all have the same laws that apply to them. The difference in these cases is the facts. And I will always put the time, effort, and energy into every single case to make sure that it is the just and legally supportable decision. I've been highly recommended by the Allegheny County Bar Association and the Pennsylvania Bar Association to be a Superior Court judge. And I thank you so much for your support.